Hello and welcome back. In this video, we'll walk you through how to set up and customize your email templates using the different configuration options available in your dashboard. Start by opening your dashboard. From the left-hand menu, click on Settings, then select Email Configuration. Here you'll see 4 available options for email setup: Wix, SendGrid, Brevo, and SMTP. Let's begin with Wix. Click Edit Wix Email Template. You'll find a built-in guide to help you customize your Wix email layout. Once done, you can also send a test email to preview your changes. Next, select SMTP. Toggle the option on, then click Edit Email Template. Customize the template as needed, then hit Update to save. You also have the option to reset the template at any time. The same steps apply for SendGrid and Brevo. Enable the option, edit the template, update your changes, or reset if needed. And that's it. Your email templates are now configured and ready to go. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to our support team. Thanks for watching.